I'm literally about to burn my old self in front of you guys, just so you guys know that this is real and this is something that's not scripted. It's not something that I just did. I wrote this down this morning and I get so excited because this is something that a lot of these self-improvement guys never talk about. They never have you do, but this is the shit that genuinely changes your life. So what did I write down? I wrote down literally my old self. I wrote down my old identity in the format of all of the thoughts that my old identity have, which is my current identity that I'm burning now, the beliefs, which are basically those thoughts that I had that I accepted that were true, the emotions that came with those beliefs, and the actions that I was taking every single day from the time that I moved here to now, right? To get me to where I'm at now. I'm going to be super vulnerable with y'all so y'all be able to know exactly what it is that I wrote. I'm not hiding this shit from myself, and I will literally burn this shit broad daylight, like right now on this call. You will see me burn this. And before I even begin, I want to explain why this is so important and why you need to do it. Because the minute that you can write all of this down and see it, and you can watch yourself burn it, you have to be able to engage all 5 senses if you want to make a genuine change in your life. I'm telling you this right now. Nobody talks about this. A lot of people, they just visualize shit, right? You can visualize things. You have to be able to see it, feel it, or touch it. You have to be able to hear it. You have to be able to, what's the next sense? Smell it. And then you have to be able to, I think it's just, what's the last sense? I even forgot what the last sense was. But you need all 5 senses. That's all you need to know to be able to actually make a change. So I'm going to say it and I'm going to burn it right now. It's going to be a quick video so you guys can do this shit for yourself. And this is what I'm going to have a lot of the guys who join my boot camp, my little program that I have for everybody to be able to become the best version of themselves through identity shifting. This is one of those things you're going to have to do. So I started with my thoughts, right? And you're not going to believe that these are my thoughts, but they genuinely are my thoughts. I'm an introvert. I'm not meant to learn a new language. Making $100K a month requires my whole life to be sacrificed. The world will reject my authentic self. I won't grow on YouTube anymore. I can't improve my physique. I'm afraid of sparring because I can get hurt. This is real shit that I think about, bro. You wouldn't even think I think like that. Especially when I go in and do it. Like, I don't even seem like I think like that, but these are the thoughts that are keeping me from being consistent. I can't share spiritual shit because people will think I'm too woo-woo and soft. I can only teach fitness. My life is boring. These are all of the thoughts that I allow to accept. And my beliefs are essentially all of these thoughts that I've just said that I've accepted and allowed to be a part of my reality, my actual identity, right? So what are the emotions that come with this? Shyness, fear, doubt, and insecurity. Now, what are the actions that I take on a regular basis, on a day-to-day basis to reinforce all of this shit, all of this identity, right? 1, avoid social settings. I do avoid social settings a lot. 2, avoid using Duolingo and learning new languages and learning new words and speaking the language consistently with other people. 3, flip-flopping businesses and avoiding building my flagship transformational program that I know will change lives. 4, making the same videos with the same surface level bullshit ideas on YouTube. 5, avoiding posting content for days and days on end. Y'all seen the consistency die down. I think we're on the next one. Doing the same diet and workouts without any changes, without any new knowledge, without researching anything. Stopping to research fitness, stopping to research everything, and improving my physique. Keeping the same bullshit over and over again. Skipping sparring days out of fear. Yeah, I do that sometimes. Sometimes I just skip it, right? Not because I had something going on, but just because I didn't feel like doing it. I'm holding myself accountable, man, on a global fucking scale. This is crazy. Next. Not posting deeper spiritual shit and avoiding the topic altogether. Every time y'all ask me to go deeper into the spiritual shit, I avoid it. I don't even post it. Next. Always making getting jacked videos and always falling back to fitness coaching. Even though that's one of my greatest transformational vehicles that I have, I always fall back to just doing that one thing because, again, It's the belief that I have that I can only teach that. Next, I stick with the same life routine. I don't switch it up. I don't do different shit than I used to. I go to the same indoor gym. I don't switch gyms. I don't work out outside like you guys saw yesterday. I started to train outside and I started to talk while I was training. I don't switch shit up. This is the old version of me. This shit right here. The old version of myself that I wrote down. And now, like I said, if you really want to be able to maximize, you got to burn this shit in real time. So I got my nice little lighter that I use with my cigars that I smoke. So, or cigarillos. So, and I'll smoke a cigarillo too after this video, of course. Just as like a ritual, like, yo, I really just destroyed the old version of me and I burnt that shit to the ground. So we're gonna burn this shit in real time, right? Burn that motherfucker. Burn it all the way. You guys see how this shit's burning, right? It's the old version of me burning in real time, right? My girl's gonna get so tight because this shit's all over the place. Jeez, I gotta do this for y'all though. The wind's gonna burn this shit down and I gotta redo it. Burn it. Burn that bitch. See, I can smell it. I can feel it. I can see it. All of that. Burn, nigga, burn. That old version of me is gone. You had to say that too. Ooh, shit. Ooh. It's burnt. You feel me? It's burnt up. Done. It's burnt. That's the old version of me gone, right? I gotta clean this shit up. But y'all gotta understand, man, that's really what it takes. That's what it really takes. You gotta burn the old version of yourself in real time to actually do the things. Oh, wow, is it really showing? There we go. Y'all see it? That's the old version of me gone. And the new version of me has emerged, right? So y'all gotta do this, man. Burn your old self. Have all your senses, feel it, see it, and accept it, because that is the old version of you that's dead. I know it sounds dramatic. I know you don't, oh, why did you have to do all this? Because this is what it takes to really change your fucking life. You have to take action. And this is one of the core action steps you need to take for yourself right now. So hopefully this was helpful for you. You can do this for yourself. You can suggest this video to somebody else who's stuck in a self-improvement loop. Because you got to understand, man, with identity shifting, it's all about closing the identity loop and going higher, and then closing the loop and then going higher, closing the loop and then going higher, closing the loop. And then a lot of y'all are just stuck here and you keep staying in this loop because you don't burn that old version of you. So you stay in that loop, you stay in that loop, this is me closing the loop to that one cycle. And now it's going to propel me to the next loop. You're going to see how changes are made and my life quality will change. But that's what you got to do, man. So I appreciate y'all. I hope this was valuable for you. Like, comment, subscribe, share with somebody who needs it. Links will be in the description if you want to connect with me, if you want to learn more about yourself, if you want to go through an identity shifting session with me. You can book a one-on-one call with me as well. It's a paid one-on-one call. You can join the Telegram to wait for my identity shifting program that will be coming out, that will be basically doing everything that I'll be doing with you guys here, but just more on a personal level with a group, with accountability. I'll be leading you guys to shifting your identity for the better, for the best. So I appreciate y'all. I'm going to catch you on the next video.